The triple-layer design of 10 inches Marley mattress in a box keeps you cool and offers medium firm support. The gel memory foam top layer and supportive middle layer with airflow channels provide a cooling effect, helping to maintain a comfortable climate while you sleep. Includes hypoallergenic cover. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Full-size cooling memory foam mattress. This 10 inches cooling gel memory foam mattress is perfect for hot sleepers. The gel memory foam top layer and supportive center combine to relieve pressure. Number 2. Cooling comfort. Available in medium and medium firm options, the Marley mattress features a triple-layer design with airflow channels in the supportive middle layer to maintain a comfortable climate all night. Number 3. Support for every sleeper. Whether you are a side sleeper or feel best on your stomach or back, looking for motion isolation, edge support, and/or breathability, we have an eco-conscious mattress for you. Number 4. Made in the USA. Our memory foam mattresses, mattress toppers, and pillows are all hypoallergenic and CertiPure US certified, offering you high-quality materials for high-quality sleep. Number 5. Committed to great sleep. We invented the memory foam mattress in a box, and we continue to innovate restorative foams and fabrics to give you the best night's sleep. This mattress comes with a 10-year warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.